Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create logo for company in Canva, what you need to do. But before that, if you want to master Canva, try Skillshare for free for 1 month and find amazing classes to boost your Canva designs. Sign up now. I will leave the link in the description below. Let's get started. How to create logo for company in Canva. First, you need to go to Canva and log into your account, and then in the left sidebar just click templates. After that, in the search bar just type company logo. And you can see here you get over 20,000 templates. If you want to start from scratch, just click create blank. But I recommend you can choose any of the templates since you have a lot of templates, and that is easier for you to customize the templates. And just keep in mind, some templates they have this crown icon, and that's for Canva Pro subscribers. You need to subscribe in Canva Pro to get access to those templates, but there are many templates they don't have it. Okay, just scroll down and choose what you like. Okay, for example this one, orange, blue, and then after that just click customize this template. Okay, here you can customize anything you want. Okay, just for sale. Okay, let me just change the name here. Just highlight it and write, for example, let me move it a little down, and here, for example, Sam. Okay, Sam construction, and this is here, and you can change the color. For example, here construction, if you want to change the color to, for example, red, and bold it. And then if you want to change the background, just click here, and here background color. Just try, for example, gray or blue or yellow. Yeah, and then when you are happy with the templates, just click share, and then download, and then download again. This is what you need to do if you want to create logo for company in Canva. I hope this video is helpful, and please subscribe to my channel if you have found value in this video. That will help me to grow and will help my followers to find my future video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.